Hey Albert, Abs here from Burton Chevrolet Buick GMC in Whitewater, giving you a video on that 2015 Yukon Denali Ultimate. This does have the power running boards, a 6.2 liter V8, heads-up display, rear entertainment. Now this vehicle was bought brand new and serviced here at our dealership. Very good condition, no major dings, dents, or scratches. No curb rash on the chrome wheels. Great overall working condition, great looking vehicle. Take a look inside. All black leather interior. There's your power running boards there. See, heated and cooled seats. There's your Denali steering wheel there. Built-in navigation. Backup camera there. Got your heated and cooled seats here. See here your four-wheel drive settings, trailer brake controller, power adjustable foot pedals right here, and then parking sensors. You do have your forward collision and heated steering wheel here. You see the digital displays, which is for the Denali Ultimates. You see right here. It does have your sunroof with the rear bucket seats. You see here, it does have all of the headphones and remote controls, heated seats here. You can see the rear DVD as well. Very, very clean. You will not find a cleaner Yukon for this age and mileage for this value. I guarantee you that. Phone number here, if you want to take a look at it in person, is 262-473-6060. Thank you.